Hello and welcome back. I hope you're all well. We're fresh back from Tourfest. What a fantastic week we had. Well, weekend we had there. Just wanted to go through. This is probably one of the best products I've ever been sent. Most useful products I've ever been sent, really. And it's called a Campster 2 chair. It's a chair, believe it or not. Sitpack. It's made by a company from Denmark. I'll just give you some specifications on this. So it comes in this carrying case, and it's roughly around about 35 centimeters in length, this, so it's quite small. It's got a carrying handle with it. It weighs, just reading off there, 1.46 kilograms, and the weight capacity of this chair, believe it or not, in this is 120 kilograms. That's about 22 stone. The seating height of it when it's set up is 12 centimeters. Now, when I got this, I thought, nah, that doesn't look like anything. That's not going to be any good to sit on. And believe it or not, it's really good. So we'll open it up. And then that's it. That is the seat. And then you fold it out. There's a Velcro strap here. It's like an umbrella, really. Because what you do is you fold it out. Like so. And then the back comes up, and then you pull these sections out. On the back rest, there's two of these extendable sections, and then on the front, on the base of it, where is it? There's one. Now the only thing I found with these, the back sections here have got this toggle on there to open the top one. Now at the top here, they've put some kind of tape around the top so it sticks in. Now when I pulled, see, it's quite difficult to pull. They've put some tape around the top there and it's made it stick. I need to clean that off. When I pulled it with that on, was it this one? No, the other one, I actually pulled that section off. So it clamps into place like that. See, this one's a bit stiff again because of that tape. And then that's the chair. So when you finish with it, dead easy, just fold it away, push these things down. There's two on the back, like I said before. Just push them down into there. Oops, got the top one first. And then once they're all in, oh, that bottom one there, just folds up like an umbrella. Tuck your pockets in. Get your Velcro strap, wrap it round, all nice and neat, and then pop it back into your carry bag. Zip it up, the job done. Right, so that's the Sitpack Campster 2 chair. It's made out of like aluminium, I think. But yeah, really lightweight. Now the reason why, obviously, sometimes we get sent products, and I looked at this and I thought, yeah, I'll have those because of the lightweight of them. They're going to be easy for us to chuck in the caravan, and if we get people coming round to see us, obviously, there's only me and Angela at the moment in the caravan. We only take two of our big chairs, so we can put these in the caravan. They're only lightweight, and then if we're going anywhere, maybe down to the beach or anywhere, sometimes we go to these shows and stuff like that, you can take them to concerts or whatever, and they're really lightweight to carry. You can see that. Can just carry this down with us and then just quickly fold it out, bish bash bosh, have a sit down on it. I know in summer we're going away, but we've got my parents coming to visit us, so we'll be taking these with us. And then we can sit on these, and the parents can sit on the comfy chairs, and they are quite comfy. But yeah, they're really lightweight. So yeah, pretty good that. They come with a 2-year warranty. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description below to the site where you can buy them from. I think I've seen them. If you buy them direct from them, I think they got it up here. They're retailing about 89 quid. They are expensive, but I think you're paying for the engineering of the product and the lightweight and you know, the ease of using it. So, you know, it's really well engineered, really. I have seen them for around about 60, 70 quid, but yeah, good product, I think. So have a look at them, links in the description below. Thanks for watching, you take care, and we will see you soon. Bye bye.